Hello everyone, welcome back to the video, and in this video we are going to learn about the minimum doorway width and height under the 9.5.5. So let's start it. So let's open the table 9.5.5.1 and start with the entrance unit. So dwelling unit, that means one unit only, or house with a secondary suite, that means like two units. Vestibules or entrance, basically any entry for the house or like house with the second suite, you need to follow 810 mm minimum width and 1980 mm height, right? So let's see here one good example. Here we can see the unit 1, here we have unit 2, and in the common vestibule we have two doors. So this door, this one or this one must need to follow 810 mm wide. Alright, another one is the utility door. So what's the utility room first of all? So if we have like HVAC or laundry, so that's called the utility room. Let's say in this example we have finished basement, and one room in the basement we have as a furnace room. So this door needs to meet 810 mm wide, and this is the height. Alright, so even if it's a laundry room, we have to meet this requirement. Okay, and all of these you can just go through. It's very simple with the widths and heights. Alright, so I'm not going to cover it right now, but you can simply read that. Okay, let's learn about the passages. So 9.5.5.3 covers the doors to the bathroom. So it's depend on the corridor size. If our corridor is more than 1060 mm wide, that means our door size needs to be 760 mm. So this corridor, if it's like a more than 1060, then door size is 760. All right. And let's say if your corridor is less than 1060 mm, then you need only 810 mm wide. So basically the bathroom door size depend on the corridor size. So let's move on. So even though building code is giving you this number, this is like a bare minimum number. You can do that, get the permits, but that's not the only purpose. In the real life or in the market, normally for the entry doors we use 3 feet door. For the laundry and mechanical we use the 2 feet 8 inches. Even for the entry door sometimes we use like a double door, then it's 4 feet or 5 feet. Like you can use definitely more but not less, right? For the bedrooms and bathrooms we use 2 feet 6 inches, and closet is 2 feet 6 inches. In the closet we sometimes use like double doors and sliding doors, so like it's more wider also. So depend on the like a design or something like that. This is the practical usage. If you are go for the BCIN exam, and in the exam if they ask you for the doorway size, it's minimum size, you have to follow the building code. All right, so that's everything for this video. We are going to meet on the next video and learn about this something else. Thank you.